So what do we have? We have like top padding. No, we have the text. I guess padding for the gain meter. The gain meter. Well, okay, that's a problem. The problem is this 40 might be overridden. Whoa. When we do the min clamp. That's still acceptable. And then we have, this is for the gain meter, and this is padding afterwards. I don't think I want into padding though. Well, no, I do want into padding, but no, I think that works. Because I only want this to happen in between them. So I guess this is like top padding, I suppose. I guess I should think of it as top padding. But it's not really top padding because it doesn't happen for I equals 0. Okay. Okay, let's start working on actually displaying something here rather than just a big black square. Okay, so we have two channels, a left channel and a right channel. Well, we could have more, frankly. And they don't necessarily have to be locked in step, but I have no way of testing like if that's gonna work or not. So like here, I presume we have, yeah, two separate channels. And if you had more channels, you could have more of these. Let's just start with one bar. I have no way of testing this multi-channel thing. So we want to, I actually think I want to start by putting ticks on the bar. So we want to shave some of this. I guess we want to leave 10 plus maybe 5 or something. Although, again, I don't think this looks amazing, but we just want to get something. So let's do minus 15. Let's make it a bit smaller. And this black bar will fit all the channels. We can make it a bit smaller. Yeah, that can fit all the channels. Okay. And now we want draw gain meter ticks. So we want ticks, but we also want labels and meter, I guess. I mean, we don't need to use this many variables for it, but yeah. So we want to go from this point. And the height, I think we just want to be equal to Well, okay, let's go 10. Let's go 7. We'll see. We'll fiddle with it. I think I want it to be the whole way. And the question is, do we want... So I think I want 0 to be the max, but what do I want the minimum to be? That's a good question. And do I want it to be configurable? I don't know if I want it to be configurable. I think I do on, like, if nothing else, on principle. I guess this is an integer, max gain, or min gain, I guess. Okay, let's try and draw the ticks first. So I guess we want to compute the space between them, and I think we want that to be a function we do twice. Compute distance gain ticks. The fact that these all take the same numbers, the same parameters, really makes me want to say that they belong to the same function. Like, I'm not sure if I ever want the min game to be different for the ticks and the labels. I probably want this to be a parameter to this as well. So like maybe this really should just be one big function. To draw the gain meter. It probably should be, honestly. Alright, let's just do it as one big function. So what I want is int distance. This dist will do. Dist will do. And here we probably don't need to do that. We maybe will later, but I don't know. So I want 4. I guess I also want to know the number of ticks. Oh no, I know the number of ticks. It's equal to min gain. Or I suppose it's ticks. Then I want to compute dist equals region.y divided by well, yeah, this is the thing. How much space? Right, so this is how much space you have for each tick. Which is, I guess, that distance there. So for I equals 0, I less than ticks, I plus plus. I guess I want to draw a rectangle. From subregion X. Well, I guess. I mean, that will mean... Yeah, because I don't want my last tick. So I'm going to say I'm placing my first tick. Or maybe, do I want to do the same thing here with this, like, no-go zone? I don't know. I don't think so. But I want to place my first tick directly here, which means when we're doing the computation, the space comes after the tick. But for the last tick, we don't want there to be any space after it. We just want it to be directly at the end. So I guess in some sense, I don't want 60 ticks. I actually want 61 ticks. Well, I mean, this is 61 ticks because, you know, this is tick 1. But I guess I want 62 ticks, I suppose. I don't know if this is the most intuitive way of doing it. No, that's definitely not the most intuitive way of doing it. So I guess I kind of want something like that. And then the y. Interesting. The width is kind of like 2 pixels, and the height is kind of like 7. Oh, I made it the whole thing. Oh, that was when I was going to draw them all. Like maybe... what are you saying? Right, you need a color.